to be close to you. Why do they stop me up?
Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're making a budget-friendly dinner for two. As you can see, my parents are both working, and as a surprise for them, I made a special dinner. The recipe involves pan-searing a salmon, roasting various veggies, and making a side dish, potato salad. So, let's get started! For making the pan-seared salmon, we need 2 slices of lemon, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 cloves of garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, lemon zest, 2 salmon steaks, and 3 tablespoons of oil. We start by pat drying our salmon by paper towel. Make sure to dry all sides of the salmon. After drying it, drizzle the salmon with 1 tablespoon of oil. And use a brush to cover all sides. Season the salmon with a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure to season all sides of the salmon and leave it for 5 minutes. For roasting the veggies, we need approximately 100 grams of asparagus, approximately 100 grams of beans, 90 grams of baby corns, salt and pepper to taste, and oil. Now, we can start by roasting the veggies. Preheat the oven on 160 degrees. Use a foil to cover the oven tray. Arrange the asparagus, the beans, and the baby corns. Drizzle the veggies with 5 teaspoons of oil. Sprinkle it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure to season all of your veggies. Place the tray in the oven and bake it for at least 10 minutes, making sure your veggies will not get burnt. For making the potato salad, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 medium-sized carrots chopped, 3 medium-sized potatoes chopped, salt and pepper to taste. On making the potato salad, boil water and once boiled out, put your potatoes and carrots in it until they are soft. Transfer your potatoes and carrots in a container. Add chopped hard-boiled egg as preferences. Put mayonnaise, and sprinkle salt and pepper. Refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Heat the pan for 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, pan-sear the salmon, making sure to sear the meat side of the salmon first. After 3 minutes, flip it and sear the skin part of the salmon for 3 minutes as well. Add unsalted butter, garlic, and finally the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Baste the salmon with the mixture so that the meat will still be cooked. After 3 minutes, cook both sides of the salmon for at least 1 minute. Once the veggies are cooked, remove it from the oven and get ready for plating. For the plating, put the salmon first, placing it diagonally. Add the roasted veggies, asparagus, beans, and baby corns. Add the potato salad in the other side of the plate. And drizzle the salmon with the basted mixture. Add lemon and parsley and get ready to serve. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you have a lovely dinner. Please subscribe and support our channel.